My partner lost his job at the beginning of the pandemic because we self-isolated, so that was stressful. Then schools and preschools closed, so I had 5 children aged 3 to 10 at home to keep happy, print off a lot of schoolwork, and play teacher, and it was very stressful because I was taking away their safe place and trying to make it into a school, which it wasn't. It was hard trying to keep them focused. It was hard trying to stay focused and stick to a routine, and not having the answers of when they're going to return to school and when they're going to see their friends. It's the unknown, isn't it? Not knowing if we're going to ever go into lockdown again, not knowing if it's the right thing to do to go back to work and send the children back to school come September. It's just that fear of the unknown, not knowing if they're going to find a cure, or if I caught it, what would happen. Well, I think they've been really good. Don't get me wrong, since the masks have become compulsory, a lot of people have become more negative, especially towards people that aren't wearing them, and then there's the people that don't want to wear them, and then there's the people that aren't wearing them over health grounds, medical grounds, and I don't know, the community keeps switching between positive community spirit, like helping each other out, doing shopping for each other, to let's attack anyone who doesn't follow the guidelines, but then they don't know why they're not following the guidelines. Like not being able to see your loved ones. A lot of people got so depressed, they had to. Sometimes it's not, sometimes putting your mental health before guidelines is needed. The Happy Kit has been very educational to my children. They've learned so much. I've learned how much they didn't know as well. I guess when you don't think about how a child or a young person perceives mental health, it opens up so many doors of relating. My children said the main thing they've learned is, they said it's been very educational. They've learned more about mental health and have learned to understand parts of themselves they didn't even realise were there, and how to control certain aspects of their mental health. They didn't realise that was part of it. It also made them look at me and my mental health, considering I have anxiety and fibromyalgia, which obviously causes pain, so it affects everything. The pandemic's been a roller coaster. I can't say I've completely hated it. I've enjoyed the time with my babies. The Happy Kit has been awesome, and it's even made me have a look at things and in myself, and it's helped me be able to express how things affect me to my children as well, and it helped them realise the things that they didn't realise what box it fit in, and didn't realise it was part of anxiety, and and they gave them coping tools to deal with it, which was awesome.